FOURTHWALL versus Shopify. Which one is better? Hi everyone. In this video, we will compare FOURTHWALL versus Shopify. Here is the comparison of FOURTHWALL and Shopify. FOURTHWALL is free to use, while Shopify costs $39 to $399 per month. Custom Storefront Builder is offered by both Shopify and FOURTHWALL. FOURTHWALL handles customer support, while Shopify doesn't. Memberships are offered by FOURTHWALL but not by Shopify. Credit card fees for FOURTHWALL are 2.9% plus $0.3, while for Shopify it is 2.4 to 2.9% plus $0.3. Selling bespoke products is the option of FOURTHWALL, but Shopify shows it via the external app. Both FOURTHWALL and Shopify provide worldwide shipping. Printing your own shipping labels at home is just offered by Shopify, while FOURTHWALL allows it via the external app. Sales analytics, full ownership of your data, and APIs and webhooks are the options that are provided by both FOURTHWALL and Shopify. Some NFTs platforms accept promo codes for a variety of different discounts in both Shopify and FOURTHWALL. Both these websites are important and helpful in their own ways. You can check out the link given in the description for some extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.